hotel guest book. You record who is coming in, who is going out. So in terms of balance of payment, we say it is a record of transactions between a country and the rest of the world. The notes will have slightly more detailed ones over a period of time, usually 1 year. Okay. So when you look at balance of payments, a quick recap for those who already know. You have a current account, you have a capital/financial account. KFA in short. KFA. CA. Okay. So anytime you're not sure, you just stop me, okay? What is under your current account? Okay. This one we call balance of trade. Alright, this is balance of payments. This is balance of trade. BOT. Okay. BOT, in the notes they say, wow, visibles, invisibles, but it's actually just X minus N. Visible means goods, invisibles means services. Nothing new, okay? What else? You capture income flows also. If I buy property in Australia, I rent it out. Then I collect rental income. That money flows from Australia back to Singapore. It's an income flow. Okay? And transfer payments. Okay? Like foreign aid. Foreign aid, when we donate to a certain country, the money also flows in. Alright? So current account, this is it. This is introduction. I'm not value adding. I'm just like a Google Home that repeats what you want. Okay, that's all. Capital and financial account. What is this? Now, some students first they will ask, "Hey, why the name? Why is this current? Why is this capital?" The truth is that isn't actually a reason. Right? This is just how World Trade Organization does it. But whatever is here is not current. Current means instantaneous, right? You give the money, you get the goods. This is not current because it deals with investment flows. Investment is never instantaneous. You put your money in the Sheng Siong stocks. You don't sell it right away and then make money. You have to wait for Sheng Siong to make more profits. Alright? So it's not current in a way. We have short-term capital, long-term capital. Long-term is usually FDI. Short-term is what we call hot money. Let's keep it there, just that. Any questions? So here they have certain things like direct investments, portfolio investments. Okay, these are all the technical aspects, but let's not get lost in the technical aspects. Questions? So this is the what. Okay. You see, okay. BOP, I said, is part of performance. It's part of the 4 goals, correct? When you study the 4 goals, what do you study? You study the 3 C's. What are the 3 C's? You have to study causes. You have to study consequences. You have to study the cures. For your promos, you did this, you did this. Cures, little bit, not much. Fiscal policy, interest rate policy, exchange rate policy, that's coming this term, right? You didn't do a lot of that in the first year. Okay. So